be talking to you. So today I'm going to show you about the special features of a Zoomlion excavator, that is our ZE215 or 21.5. So the light, as you can see, Zoomlion excavator here. At the cabin we have this light, and we have those two lights, and we also have this light. As you can see, most of the excavators do not have this light and that light. So for Zoomlion, the operator doesn't have problems with visibility during the work. Also, as you can see in the boom, there is that light, and also in the opposite side, there is that light. So this is to ensure the operator is able to see what is excavated. The other thing, unaweza cut. This bucket is a rock bucket. Has been reinforced. The bucket has been reinforced. So I usually have these two holes here. So the importance of this hole is that as you are excavating or carrying the soil, if there is any water, it comes off through these two holes, and it's a U-shaped bucket. That means it will be able to load more. Important feature is emergency siren. So in case there is a problem,